I'm waiting for it to be in the intro too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm a bit forward. Today I'm back with Conan and we're going to be making our white chocolate cheesecake, but we're going to mix it up and use BISCOFF for the base of it. We've got BISCOFF biscuits, well, Aldi's version of BISCOFF.
Yeah, so that's that Aldi version cheesecake.
Yeah.
Here's another Aldi plug. Banging.
So you need 300 grams of BISCOFF biscuits and 125 grams of butter melted, and then you just like mash them up together and mix them for the base. Everyone knows how to make a cheesecake. 300 so that I feel like this whole jacket plus.
Bang on, watch this. Bang on, watch this. Bang on, watch this.
Ooh, close. Ooh, too much. Ooh! Do you want me to start mashing them up? Mash, 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 mash. I just melted down butter, added in some butter, and then you just literally mix the butter through. Mum always moans at me for how I say butter in videos.
Butter.
Butter. She's like, it's butter.
Shout out to Terry the bricklayer.
Teach me your ways. You're interrupting my video! Don't go in with that haircut. If you want an alternative to BISCOFFs, plug in these from Aldi. Do you say Aldi or Aldi?
Aldi.
I say Aldi because I like to say it like all day, all night. I saw that. It's our DIY baking tin because we think someone's
Bin the bomb.
bin the bomb.
Hopefully it works.
It should do. If you keep it still enough, then it should work. Okay, now we're just going to put this in the fridge.
I mean, it could go.
And we'll decide on a topping for it. Okay, so we're back. We've let our cheesecake sit for like 2 hours. And we're melting the white chocolate. So you melt 200 grams of white chocolate in, what's this called?
Bain-marie.
In a bain-marie. You just mix that up until it's melted. And then you want
Aldi cream.
everything's from Aldi. You love Aldi. So you want 300 mils of cream, and then you basically whisk that up until it's like a soft peak. So I'm just going to whisk up our cream. So you basically want your cream to be like kind of not fully whipped, but
Hey guys.
ASMR. Guys. So now we're melting our chocolate in a bain-marie.
And if you do it in the bain-marie rather than in the microwave, you won't burn your chocolate and it won't taste better.
So, do it in a bain-marie. So once you've taken your chocolate off, you need to let that sit and cool for 10 minutes. So you just add like a little splash of vanilla into your cream. And then you want to put your Philadelphia soft cheese in. So you want 300 grams of that. So these have 200 grams, so 1.5 tubs of this. And then that just goes in. Oops. I just start skipping. But basically you just want to mix together your cream and cream cheese in a bowl with your vanilla extract whilst your chocolate's still cooling down. I've also took the base out of the fridge just so it's like once we've mixed it all together we can put that on top. So I'm just gonna keep mixing this. If you can hear Conan skipping, he's at the back. So I'm just gonna pour in the white chocolate into the bowl and then you just want to like fold that in. Yeah, so with this you don't want to mix it, you just fold it so as your cream keeps like the air in it so that it still makes it like light and fluffy. Lastly, I'm just going to take my base and add in my mix. So I'm just smoothing this all out. And then once you've done that, you literally just put it back in the fridge. And you want to leave it in the fridge for like 2 or 3 hours, just so it really has time to like properly set. But honestly, it's so good. So we've absolutely well and truly been abandoned here. So I have took it upon myself to decorate the top myself. So again, I've got our BISCOFF Aldi version biscuits, and I'm just gonna break these in half and just stick them and I've also crushed up some of the biscuits and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. So look at this. That's what it's kind of looking like. I'm just going to put it back in the fridge. I'm just going to put it back in the fridge until we're ready to eat it. You're not.